guys, this is gonna be a gas station mukbang. If I can get my coat off. I'm so upset. I went to like 3 different gas stations looking for like nachos with cheese. I went to Speedway's because everybody, all my friends told me that Speedway has them, and they don't, at least not here. And I asked about what gas stations in my town have nachos, and people said here. Hopefully you don't hear my heat. You probably do, but what can I do? It's cold out. It's snowing. You can see out the back window that it is white because it is snowing. Everything's covered. The roads are all ice. Anyway, so I just ended up going to the Meijer gas station, and now I'm sitting in Meijer's parking lot because I have to go to the grocery anyways. And I'm putting mustard on my hot dog. Some of you might think I'm crazy, but I have never had, what is it, a tornado before? It says a whirlwind of flavor, so I don't know what this is. There's people everywhere. I've been to Hobby Lobby. We've just been doing Christmas shopping the last 2 days. We just got started. So I have a tornado, whatever this is. It's good. A little bit spicy. It's almost like a taquito, but not crunchy. So I have a tornado. Gas station hot dog, tornado, gas station hot dog. I have a frozen Mountain Dew, which I used to get all the time. I have not had one in years, so it's a frozen Mountain Dew. I got some Great Lakes potato chips made in Traverse City, Michigan. These are bold sea salt and vinegar kettle cooked chips. Give them a whirl. Pretty good. And then I grabbed these queso cheese ruffles. Sparkle on Forever had bought a big bag at the 99-cent store. Oh, she said her husband likes them. I've never had them, so we're gonna try these. It's 12 o'clock. I have not eaten yet today. Pretty good. I'm so mad I don't have nachos and cheese. Like, I've been craving nachos and cheese. And I got peanut butter Twix for my dessert. It's a big old hot dog. Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog. Okay. We just started our Christmas shopping yesterday. I went to Toys R Us. They had tons of sales going on. They're like a week-long sale. And then yesterday only they had a bunch of things that were like 50% off, 20% off. So we did all of Adri's Christmas shopping yesterday. The baby toy type stuff, like for Alex, none of it was on sale. So I'll just wait till that's on sale. And get hers. It's a pretty good hot dog. Years ago, back in '98, I worked at a truck stop gas station, and the hot dogs would sit on that warmer thing like all day long, and they'd be like all shrivelly, and they were my favorite because they were just like crispy because the skin was like so cooked. I used to love them. Pretty good hot dog. I know that 7-Elevens have nachos with cheese, but we don't have 7-Eleven. I wonder if too many people were making a mess with it. So I don't know, but I just asked on Facebook. I said, what gas stations here in town have nachos. I was told that most speedways have them, but the speedways I went to have like eatery places. You actually have a screen where you can place an order for like a hot sandwich, like a grilled sandwich, or like hot subs, like Subway. And someone goes back there and actually makes you a sandwich. So I didn't see them on their menu either. We have Meyer gas station, we have Speedways. Oh, we have Circle K. So I don't know where to get nachos with cheese other than Dairy Queen. Maybe I'll get some for baking day next weekend. We're getting a couple inches of snow today. It's like the ground's covered, the streets are covered. I've only seen one salt truck, and that was right when I came out of the gas station. I was walking out under the awning, and he went flying by there spraying salt, so he sprayed me with salt. Jerk. Like, people don't know how to drive. They're either doing 5 miles an hour, or they're spinning their tires and they're not even bothering. It's like when your tires are spinning, obviously the tires are going too fast to grip, so you let off the gas and then they'll grip. People just freaking lay on the gas or even like press the gas harder. It's like, does no one know how to drive? Jay's daughter, Haven, she turns 16 tomorrow. And so she's had her permit, but I'm not worried about her driving, or like kids nowadays driving. It's about them themselves, but they just need to learn to watch for everybody else. There's so many people texting and driving. Last night there was a car that kept going over the line. It's like, what the hell is he doing? I mean, like, he's just steadily on his phone. It's like, you idiot. And then we were sitting beside him at the light because we were going straight and he was turning left and he had a green arrow for like ever, and he just sat there. Like, all the cars behind him were probably getting pissed because he's not going, because he's just steadily on his phone. It's like, I know to watch for everybody else, but like newer drivers, I mean, it was hard to be a newer driver back in the day when I got my license, but that was before there were like phones and texting and all that crap. What are you laying on their horn for? They're pulling out of a parking spot. You need to wait and then pull in the aisle, you jerk. So I've learned that around the holidays, people are either super nice and friendly and Merry Christmas, or they're just jerks. And that man, it's a jerk. It's so funny. It just looks like I'm in a whiteout in my phone. All right. About to have a tornado in the snow. This is pretty good though. It's like shredded beef and cheese. So on the wrapper, it has a bunch of flavors listed. Bacon, egg, and cheese and salsa. Cheese and pepperoni. Ooh, that'd be good. Cheesy pepper jack. chicken teriyaki, French toast and sausage, grilled chicken and cheddar, Korean barbecue beef, pork chili verde, ranchero beef steak and cheese. That's probably what this is, because it's like shredded steak and cheese. There's so many cars that have like the reindeer antlers on them. It's so funny. Sausage, egg and cheese, southwestern style chicken, and then supreme omelet. So if this is a ranchero beef steak and cheese, it's 180 calories. It's actually pretty good. No, people. I'm not seeing any young drivers, so I'm assuming this is not the first time these people have driven in snow. There's time when it rains. People don't know how to drive. Frozen Mountain Dew. I hate that noise. Is that guy salty? Yeah, so. It's so bright out. The sky is just white. I just talked to Jay. The baby's asleep. He's wanting to put up more Christmas decorations, which is crazy because we usually have our decorations up like by the end of November at the latest. And here it is, December 9th, and we barely have anything out. But, so I just started working a couple weeks ago. Everything's just hectic. Adrian's at my mom's. Poor thing woke up sick yesterday. I won't go into detail, but when I came home from work, it was a mess. And Jay had taken a vacation day for yesterday so we could do our Christmas shopping since we hadn't started. So my mom kept her, and then later on my mom's like, well, I don't think she should go outside. She's just sleeping. You can tell she doesn't feel good. She just has the flu. So let's just let her stay here. It's like, okay. Because by then we had already went to Toys R Us. We went and got lunch at BW3 and got hot wing chicken salad. We went to Walmart. Is that it? And then we went home, and then after we talked to my mom, we went to the mall. So for the second year in a row, I missed the candle day at Bath & Body Works. So I got 2 candles yesterday. I'm like, I don't even have any Christmas candles. I might have a couple left over from last year. They're $12.95, so I got 2 'tis the season. I got some of the roasted almonds that fill up the whole mall, and they smell so good as soon as you walk in. Before I left, I told Jay, I said, don't open the almonds because you'll eat them all before I get home. He said, well, open them now and let me have a couple. I said, no, because they'll be gone. And I got this sweatshirt. They had like, it's normally $39.95. This and sweats from Arrow. I never usually go in there. But I'm like, ooh, just a nice, cozy, warm sweatsuit. I haven't had a sweatsuit in forever. So I got the sweatshirt and the matching pants, and I got another shirt. They were all $9 something. And Jay got a CD. There's like, Adri's Christmas shopping is done. She has this little mailbox that sits on the front table. A Christmas little mailbox. And she likes to like wake up in the morning and for me to have a little treat in there. And I haven't done it yet because everything's just been so crazy. So I just went to Dollar Tree and got some little treats to put in her little mailbox. I stopped at the gas station. Jay I have a little white tree that we used to decorate, and I told Jason he should just get some red and black ornaments and make it like a falcon's tree back in his little man cave area. So I just went to Hobby Lobby and got him some red and black ornaments in the back. And I got a surge protector because they were in the Christmas section, so they were 50% off. All Christmas is 50% off. I was looking for a baby's first Christmas ornament, but all the ones there were either for boys or the girl ones were broken. And I got a Santa Claus like Christmas blanket. I went to the gas station. Oh, at Dollar Tree I got some Christmassy plates and napkins for baking day next weekend. And I got some Christmas goodies, which I won't show because Adri watches my videos. She's my #1 fan. She really is. And life altogether. And at Hobby Lobby I also got some red sparkly forks. It's like 48 forks, there's 250 because they were 50% off. So if you're new to my channel, every year for, oh my gosh, this, I did it when I was pregnant for Adri. I don't remember, but every year since we have baking day, like my whole family, Jay's family comes over, we bake cookies and do chocolate covered pretzels and Buckeyes and peppermint bark and sometimes hardtack candy. And we order like a big giant pizza and we all just hang out decorating and gingerbread cookies. And yeah, sometimes pecan tarts, just all kinds of stuff. I worked that night though this year, which I think I worked 2 years ago on that night. But we order a big pizza. We all eat pizza. We all chip in and help bake goodies for Christmas. I always do homemade chocolate chip cookies, but I do those on my own. I think one year I might have done them then. But they're like gone as soon as we make them. So that is next Saturday, which is the 16th. I make peppermint bark. Oh, we make puppy chow. It's like Jay and Brianna's job. Get over yourselves. You don't have to lay on the horn. See? Scrooges. Be forgiving. It's the holidays. And it's snowy and crappy out. And people are stressed with shopping. Lay off your horn. And just be like, it's okay. And get over yourself. Alright. My hot dog was good. My tornado was really good. These chips are smashing. Crap. There was something I wanted to look at Dollar Tree and I forgot. My Twix is going to have to go home with me because I'm not really hungry anymore. And lately I've been stopping when I'm not hungry. Instead of eating until I'm miserable. Yes, people, I'm in here and I'm talking. I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to my viewers. These aren't very good after having salt in here. Okay, guys. Comment down below if you made it this far. Comment Merry Christmas. And tell me if your gas stations have nachos with cheese. You know, if you put your nachos in the tray and then you use the pump and pump the cheese out. Because mine don't. My friends lied. Had me all excited. God, I haven't had one of these in so long. Years ago, me and my friend worked for Pepsi, like stocking shelves at grocery stores. It was in the summer, and we would get one of these like every single day. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for this gas station mukbang. If I can find a gas station that has freaking nachos with cheese, I'll be doing another one of these. Let me know if you like gas station food ones. Like, my gas stations suck, so they have like the hot dogs and the tornadoes, and they have like spicy sausages, and they have donuts. They have like already made sub sandwiches, and like that's it. They don't have they have stuff that like every carryout would have, or grocery store with like chips and candy. They don't have like the big gulp cups like with pop. Where's this lady going? Oh, she's trying to get the cart that the person that got beeped at left. Clear out at the very end of the parking lot, like out of the street. Alright guys, make sure you're subscribed. I'm going to show you the snow and my weather conditions. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any more videos. See, outside. It's yucky and windy. I think my window is dying. They're building. They just built this building out here behind Meyer. So yeah, got snow coming in. So yeah, subscribe if you're not subscribed so you don't miss out on more videos. Like I said, comment below Merry Christmas if you made it to the end. Give me a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.